Hi guys, welcome to CastTV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple knot on any lure. So today I'm using just a small sunfish lure. So you're going to want to take about a foot of line. I'm using some Bass Pro Shops monofilament. So cut that line. Take about a foot of line. Alright. So once you got your line, you're going to put it through the hole that should be in the top of the lure. And then take the small piece out, take a little small piece out, and start to twist by taking the small piece and the big piece together in 2 fingers and twisting the lure like this. When you're done twisting, take the small piece again and put it through a hole that should form after you twist. So right here I have a little hole that I'm going to put the line through. Alright, so once I got that, I'm going to pull that line and this small piece of line. Pull it tight, and then you should have a bunch up of line, and it'll be very strong, and it won't be able to get broken by any fish or anything like that. Cut myself there. So what you're gonna have to cut off that little extra line there. Just cut it off. Then you're gonna want to make a loop on the end of the line so you can tie on your swivel. So start with a simple loop like this by taking 2 pieces of line and then wrapping 1 piece around the other like this. Alright, one more time, just like that. There you go. So take a loop like this. Then after you get the loop, you're going to have a little bit of line here like this, so leave a little slack. Wrap it around the loop. Make a second loop. Take both of the loops and between 2 fingers pinch. Taking this piece that's still sticking out, lay it between the 2 loops and pushing this old one through the new one. If I can get it. Then pulling the loop tight. Then you have a loop that you can put on any swivel. So got your loop, and then you can attach it right onto a swivel like this, and then you're ready to start fishing.